Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you this so simple pattern. You can see this cross stitch here. It's reversible actually, but the front side is more 3D effect. You can use this, also you can scarves, beanies, blankets, throws, cardigans, sweaters, where you want. Okay, you can make it easily. Only 2 rows repeating, so simple. The second row is single crochet. You can do that easily, I promise that. I use here size 3 yarn and using 4.5mm hook. You know, I like this soft touchness. You can choose your hook, which yarn you want to use. Okay, you can choose the proper one. If my video comes so speedy, please click here and slow me down, and you can click here and translate my video which language you want. I want to remember that. Thanks a lot for your kind comments. If you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our so simple and beautiful pattern. Let's start to crochet. For this pattern we need multiples of 2 plus 1. Okay, first of all make a slip knot. Then make my chains, not make so tight or so loosey. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. It's enough for showing this pattern. You can make your chains which project you want to make. If you want to make a baby blanket, you need minimum 90 centimeter or 1 meter. If you want to make a throw, you need minimum 130 centimeter, or a lot 160 centimeter is proper for the throws. You can make your chains which length you want. Okay, then turn my work. You need multiples of 2 plus 1. Don't forget that. You can see these back loops. Skip the very first, start from the second, grab your yarn and make a single crochet. First row is single crochet in every back loop. 2, here I insert, make single, insert, make single, insert, make single, like that. Okay, we will make a single crochet in every each stitch. This is my last stitch. Make my last single crochet. Now chain 1 and turn my work, not count that chain 1. Yarn over, insert into the first stitch, grab my yarn. I have 3 loops, pull through all together, make half double crochet. Then yarn over and skip this second one, insert the third one here. The first one half double. Okay, next stitch I skip, insert the second one, grab my yarn and make a little loosey double crochet. Then yarn over and turn back this second loop. I insert my hook like that. Okay, look at this, not like that. I insert my hook like that, grab my yarn, pull through to, make here cross. Then yarn over, skip one, insert the next one, make double crochet. Then yarn over, we work with this skip stitch, turn our work, it gets more easily. I insert my hook from front to back, grab my yarn, make double crochet, yarn over, skip one, insert the next one, make double, yarn over, I insert my hook, look at this, insert like that, back of this double crochet I insert, skip one, insert the next one, make double, yarn over, turn back to skip stitch, insert my hook, grab my yarn and make double. Back of this double I will make my second double crochet. Skip one, insert the next one, make double crochet, then yarn over, insert my hook, look at this, make double crochet, yarn over, skip one, insert the next one, make loosey double, then yarn over. You can insert your hook like that, skip stitch. You can insert your hook like that, this skip stitch. Which type you want to insert it. Okay, I will show you like this. Back of this double, make double, skip one, insert the next one, make loosey, yarn over, turn back to skip stitch, make double. We made our cross, then yarn over, insert the last stitch, finish with half double crochet like that. Chain one and turn your work. Look at this, reversible looking. Insert into the first stitch and make usual single crochet. Then the first and the last is usual single crochet. Between of them all the stitches are make single crochet only using back loop. Insert back loop, make single, insert back loop, make single. Okay, make a single crochet using each back loop. Second row like that, only 2 rows repeating, one is cross, one is single crochet. I come to last stitch, take both loops, make usual single crochet. This is the second row. Then again chain one and turn my work, not count this chain one as a stitch, yarn over, insert into the first stitch and start with half double crochet. Then yarn over, skip one, insert the next one, make your loosey double, then yarn over and turn back to this skip stitch and make your second double here. Yarn over, skip one, insert the next one, make double, yarn over, turn back to this skip stitch. I take both loops you see here, make your second double and make your cross. When you come to end, finish the row with half double, turn back and make your single crochets only back loops except the first and the last stitch. You will keep repeat which length, which size you want. I hope you will like and you will try that. If you have any questions, please leave me comments and you can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.